Seems like today is a day to make videos for me. So a customer just left. Okay, she has these rings. The center diamond on this one is loose. So but the rings are quite dirty. You cannot see that on the camera. Maybe I'll flip it around here and show you. Okay, here are the rings. I'm going to pull in some light so we can all see this better. So, rings come to me a lot of times. I don't know if you can see underneath the diamond. There's a bunch of gunk. It can be lotion and, just dirt, grime. Kind of a gross thing is it can be dead skin cells, especially up underneath the ring. There's all those clean out holes for the diamonds. Those are usually caked with stuff. I have her band here too, which I haven't really looked closely at, but I'm assuming it's still that dirty. And this isn't uncommon, so I'm not saying that to shame this person that's wearing these. It's just a part of the deal. The rings get dirty. I mean, as you wear them, my ring has a big hole in it. As you wear them, they get completely full of dead skin cells and gunk and junk. So anyway, I'm going to show you guys a little jeweler's trick. This concoction, it looks pretty nasty because it is. And it's very, very important not to get this on your skin. This is lye in water, Lye. So it's the same thing used for drain cleaner. Okay, so it eats organic matter. Right there, that's what I use. Crystal lye, drain opener. So it literally eats and dissolves all organic matter, which is probably what's stuck in here. So a lot of times what I'll do, especially if I have to solder something or put a torch to my ring or piece of jewelry I'm working on, is I will take my lye and see if I can do this without splashing myself. One ring and two rings in the lye. Make sure they're covered. And then I'm going to put this in my ultrasonic cleaner, and I'll get it so the solution's only up halfway. So it just vibrates and it's going to heat this up. So it'll just shake like this and it'll heat it up, and that'll help the lye activate even more and eat all the gunk out. And then I'll take it out of here with the tweezers and rinse it in water so I don't burn my hand. So that's a little trick that us jewelers use to get all the gunk out from underneath the diamonds. You can even do this at home too. You can buy this stuff. I think I got this, I don't even know where, some hardware store, Home Depot possibly. But you can get it anywhere. And it works so good for this purpose. And I never used to do this, and I'd leave the jewelry in my ultrasonic cleaner for hours, and sometimes it still won't come clean because that stuff is almost baked on, and it just takes forever to get off. So the lye really helps. Almost all my jewelry, pretty much all my jewelry repair that I do now, I put in lye first just to get it clean. So that's a good tip for anyone who is in this industry that doesn't know that one. That's one I just started using in the last few years, and it works really well.